How to change score line in Cricut Design Space. Choose a scoring tool, a stylus or a scoring wheel. Here I'm using the scoring stylus. Install the scoring tool to Cricut properly. Download svg_score.svg file on your device or computer. Open Design Space app. Double-click the file will not open the file. Open a new project and upload the SVG file. Once open the file, right-click and choose Ungroup. Click on the item we would like to change to score line. Go to the right-hand side panel. Layout 2 layers have been selected. Click on the top layer only. Go to the top operation. Change from basic cut to score. Click somewhere else. Click the same item again. Make sure both layers are selected. Go to the bottom of the panel and click Attach. It is essential to attach the score line and its element together. Here I have changed the score line for this element, but I have not attached them together. When we come to the Prepare page, the score line will be on its own page and separate from its element. When this happens, just cancel and go back to the project. Click on the item. Click Attach. This time, the score and the elements are attached and on the same page. Click Continue to Score and Cut.